Hello, this is Alex with the Brand Leader, and today I'm going to talk with you about the schedule page and editing the schedule page. And through that, you'll kind of be able to get the gist of how you edit most of the pages on the CT Townsend Ministries website. So we're going to start off from the dashboard. If you need help logging in, see the previous video about adding and editing posts. So if I want to kind of understand what's going on, I can go to, earlier we were in posts, all posts. Now we're going to go to pages, all pages. And when I go to pages, all pages here, I'm going to see this breakdown of pages. Now I'm interested in that schedule page, which I think I have gone by. I have. So I'm going to just click on the schedule page itself. So when I get into here, you can see there's obviously a few things going on. If we want to kind of edit any of this type of text, for example, we're going to probably find that pretty up and center. Notice right here, this is that information. So if you were to want to edit any of the text and things in this top banner, this is right here is where you would do that at. As we scroll down here, you can see any of these dates and times. If I wanted to change these things, I can just do that right there. That's pretty easy to change. As I keep scrolling down, here are some of these other buttons and things like that that are linking off to other places. Now, these are going to, let's just look at youth conference, for example. So when I go there, when I click on that, you're going to be able to see here in just 1 second. That's going to take me over to the Arise page, actually, which is a separate site, so I have chosen poorly. But let's look at youth rallies here. Youth rallies, perfect. So this is local youth rallies. So let's say we were to want to edit some of this stuff right here. So this has got this nice little calendar function going on. That's some good information. Let's say we wanted to edit that. So, if you had made any edits here, you would want to hit this update button here. I'm going to click the all pages button to leave this page. I hit leave instead of stay, so that way I don't want to commit the edits I've made. Let's go look at that local meetings page. I think this is the same page. We'll find out here in a jiffy. I'll point out to you that the way that you can kind of see some of that, actually that is not the same page. So let's hop on back here. As we kind of look there, local youth rallies. I just clicked the wrong one. Sorry about that, guys. As you see, the URLs match right there. That's one easy way to check is, does that match what's right there? And that's how you know. The other thing is, once you're logged in, you can always hit this edit page button there to make sure you're editing the right page. So as you can see here, here's this text. Open the local youth rallies. This is where you would be able to edit this text. Then I come down here, book a rally, and as I keep scrolling down and get to sections, well, that's interesting. I don't know what that is. That's some code, and that code is actually what's generating this. I bet we're going to be able to find some of this over in this events section. What do y'all think? Let's go in here and take a look at what's going on. So I click events, and I can see some things going on here. As we kind of scroll through here, you'll be able to see that these events are all over the place, but what I can do is click by, I can sort by start date, for example. So that's got me all the way back into 2017. If I go to 3/9/2018, if we go back and look, this was that transformed youth rally that's right there. So look, there it is. So let's say you were to want to do another transformed youth rally. Well, you can simply hit this duplicate button. When I do that, it's going to create a new event for me in draft form. So these events are going to work just like posts, just like anything else. You see it's created it. It's called it copy. When you scroll down here, you're going to be able to set event start date, event end date. You can come in here and set some times if you want to. Hide end time from calendar. Then I can talk about the location here, and you can edit locations. If you were to want to add a location, you can see there's event location there. Organizer doesn't have to be set. You can talk about all these different things right here that you want to. As you can see, you get pretty detailed. We're not going to get into all of this right now, but as you can see, this is kind of how you would edit an event. When I go back out to events, I'm going to be able to see the draft because it's right there at the top. I don't necessarily want this, so I'm going to hit the trash button there. But that is how you can duplicate an event and edit some of this information. So to go back over all that, this type of text is editable directly from the page in the pages, all pages setting. When you see these types of boxes with this type of information, this is actually being pulled from kind of this. You can think about this event section as like a central event database that the whole site is able to pull from. So whenever you're wanting to edit one of those events, you can simply come here to events. You can see event locations, going to allow you to set some locations. You can even come in here and set some latitude and longitude to allow the map system to pull up the correct thing. If you need to add event organizers, you can see there's a lot of different ways to do that. Event types, and you can come in here, local meetings, and you see that information, and that can really provide you some really great flexibility in how you are populating events onto your website. So again, I'm Alex Reynolds with the Brand Leader. It's been a pleasure to talk with you today. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will talk to you soon.